You learning something?
Yeah!
You're not sick of us yet?
No!
Yay! Woo! Again, small stone, but a pretty cool story. James H. Hamilton was born in 1832 in Kentucky. He set up shop as a photographer in Omaha in 1864 before coming to Sioux City in 1868, where he set up shop permanently. He was Sioux City's most prolific photographer in this era of the 1860s through the 1890s. He had several prominent sets of photographs in stereo views, including views of the Northwest. We were here in the great Northwest, and Hamilton was taking these great great images. He's also going out throughout the Dakotas and taking pictures of Native Americans. Really, really neat, really provocative photographs. He was also in the Black Hills in the 1870s, where he was photographing the gold rush there. In 1891, Hamilton left Sioux City for Wakefield, Nebraska, where he died in 1897. He was relatively young. What's so fascinating, keep your eyes on KMEG, because they're going to be doing a story on Hamilton Boulevard.
Oh.
Hamilton Boulevard used to just be Hamilton Street. It used to just be kind of a piddly little nowhere street, unimportant, but was named for Hamilton, who was involved in the real estate business. Also, the street was named for Hamilton, so today Hamilton Boulevard, even though it was never intended to be a major street, it is, and it was named for this guy. So, on our way to go see Haley and George Weir, take a look. On your right will be a really neat stone. It's it looks like a pile of rocks. Sitting beside it is an anchor. So take a look at that stone while you're on your way to go see Haley.